Lesson 20, Session 2, page 458. Counting to 120. It is so important every single time when we are looking at numbers that we are looking for patterns that repeat themselves. Here it says fill in the blanks. Before we start, let's put our finger on this number. Okay, we can see that this number has tens and ones. It is a 2-digit number. It has a 6 and it has a 1. There are 6 tens and 1 1. Okay. If I have 6 tens, I can draw 6 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, new line 6, and draw 1 1. Then I can count to see what that number is. Let's start by counting by tens. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61. So we are going to start here at the number 61 and count to 120. Please put your finger under 61. Here we go. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119. What comes after 19? 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. What comes after 19? The number 20. So 120. Now we're going to move to problem number 6. It says count by ones starting at 97. So let's circle 97, 97. If we're going to count by ones, we're only adding one number to the ones place. So if we have 97, what's one more than the number 7? 7 goes to 8, right? So if we have 97, the next number would be 98. What comes after 98? Adding one more, right? What comes after 8? 9. So 98, 99. Then what comes after 99? 100. 100. What is this number right here? That number has hundreds, tens, and ones. It has one group of 100, 0 in the tens place, and 1, 1. 100, 1. 101. Let's go to problem number 7. It says count by ones 69. I'm going to grab a different color and let's see. I need to bring my toolbar up. I'm going to get green this time. So I'm going to start with the number 69. Here is 69. 69 has a 6 in the tens place and a 9 in the ones place. So what comes after 69? 69, what? 70, right? So let's draw the number 69 over here. You can get your whiteboard out and draw 69. It has tens and ones. There are 6 tens, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens. New line, 6 tens and 9 ones. 1 1, 2 ones, 3 ones, 4 ones, 5 ones, new line, 6 ones, 7 ones, 8 ones, 9 ones. So if I have 69 and I add one more 1, what did I do? I made a group of 10, right? So I need to move that 10 over to the tens place. Now I have 7 tens and 0 ones. So what number comes after 69? Comes 70. 69, 70. After I get to 70, I'm going to go down here to the next line that has 7 tens, right? Because we have 7 tens here, we're going to go to 7 tens down here. 71. Next. 72, 73. So 71, 72, 73. Problem number 8 says count by ones. Remember, when we count by ones, we are only adding 1 1 to the number we already have. If we are at the number 80, okay, here's the number 80. On your place value board, draw your tens and your ones on your whiteboard. The number 80 has 8 tens and 0 ones. 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, new line, 6 tens, 7 tens, 8 tens, and no ones. So we have 80. If we add 1 1, our tens are going to stay the same, and we'll add a 1 after it. Our new number would be 81. So if we're here at 81, remember on the next line, we're still going to look for 8 tens, right? So 81, 82, 83, 84. Let's fill this in. 80, 81, 82, 83, 84. Okay, now we're moving down to problem number 9. It says one more. Let's just draw a picture of one more right there. Plus 1. We're only adding one more than blank is 111. Oh my goodness, they are trying to trick us, but we are not going to let them trick us. One more than this number right here is 111. I'm going to grab my eraser. I'm going to erase all the lines that I have. Right up here. Okay, they are really trying to trick us on this one. But we're first graders and we're not going to let them do that. So it says one more than blank. So let me grab my pen. I'm going to add 1 to this number right here. Do I know what that number is? I don't. So I'm going to write blank plus 1. Or I could write 1 plus blank equals 111. Equals 111. So I know, let me see here. And I'm going to grab a heavier tool. Okay, I know that I have a plus symbol right here, right? That plus symbol tells me that this is a part and 1 is a part and my whole is 111, right? A part plus a part is a whole. 1 plus blank equals 111. They said 100 more than blank. So I know that 111 is my whole, blank is my missing number, and 1 is one of my parts. I have to count on from this number plus 1 to get to 111. So let's go up into our chart. 1 more than blank is 111. Well, I know that the whole is 111, right? So I'm going to circle that. This number, 111, I could even subtract, right? I could do 111, right? Because this is a whole, minus blank equals 1. Or I could do 111 minus 1 equals blank. Whole minus a part equals a part. Say it again. A whole minus a part equals a part. So if I have 111 minus blank equals 1, or 111 minus 1 equals blank, boy, that is so confusing. Sometimes I like to go back to the numbers that I'm really familiar with, like 11 as my whole, blank as my part, and 1 as my other part. I know I could do 1 plus blank equals 11, or I could do blank plus 1 equals 11, or I could do 11 minus the part I know equals blank. It's a different way of thinking about it. If 11 is the whole, let's write our number line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And I go back 1 to take away 1. What did I land on? I landed on 10, right? So if I have 10 there, does 10 plus 1 more equal 11? Yeah, 10, count on 11. So 1 plus 10 is 11. 11 minus 1, 11, take away 1 is 10. So if I'm at 111 and I want to take 1 away, I know I have to go up to this row, right? But I have to start on this side, right? So I had 11. I take 1 away. Now I have 10. So 1 more than 110 is 111. Boy, they sure tried to trick me. Number 10 says 1 more than 119. So let's go to 119 and I want 1 more. Am I going to go forward or backwards? Right, I'm going to go forward. So what comes after 19? 20. So what comes after 119? 120.